Here we are, around 4 or 5, I have no idea. 15 grand. It's the old single one. See, I don't need the bunks again, but you could probably have them taken out and do something, but not bad for 15 grand. Come on in here, you're a single man. Pull up your ass right down there. Create some place, your cooking utensils, all your stuff. Pretty compact. Easy to pull around. Got the head in the shower. Nice. Colors are pretty neutral. Not bad. It's cowport approved. Oh my God. Let's see, look at that big bad boy over there. I don't think I saw this one. This one is 25 grand. Not bad, 25 grand. Let's get up here. Puma. Oh my goodness. Another big bed. You have the bunks over here. You've got your TV here, sink. Nice. Storage. See, I'd take that out. That'd be my storage for all my golf. No, that's a nice head. You can get in there. I'm 6'2". Let's see. Let me see. Oh, not too bad. I guess. Not a lot of leg room for shitting right here, man. Not a lot of room. Oh. See, I want more room for my bathroom. Let's have the bunks. Move the bathroom back. And then have more room in storage. That's what I would do. No railing to come on down here and kill yourself. You've seen these toy haulers before. We've seen some of those. It's a big ass one right here. Hilltop camper RV. I've seen them before. It's a big ass one. So those nice seats. Nice head right here.
But the dry hitch, 3430.
Big TV.
3,400 pounds.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Do you have toys that you'd be bringing with? Or?
No, we just make the living room.
That's a nice head right there. But still, it's like not a lot of room. There's a big dog right here. These are So what do you think, huh? What? Yeah, I'm always the kind of person, drive your car, pull your house. You know, if you're gonna buy anything, make sure you get it inspected. Just telling you. I tell people all the time, you buy them, you go online, YouTube, listen to Liz Amazing. She'll tell you all about that behavior. But Liz Amazing on YouTube. She's really good about making sure when you buy something, that's fine. Like if you buy a house, right? You make sure you inspect it, right?
Sure.
Just telling you. All right, happy trails. Yep. Liz Amazing is really good. Like a good hilltop there around. This contraption's 20 grand, so not bad. It's an easy one to pull. Here's another one they were in. Same kind of thing. Look at that little bad boy right there. Oh my goodness. This thing's 80 grand. I think it's a Found on Road Dead. I think it's a Ford product. I don't know, man. Give a lot, just not doing it, man. It just doesn't. I get it. I guess if I'm single, maybe, but I know, Karen RV, she drives around one, that's what other people do too as well. It's just, I don't know, who knows. But Hilltop, they've been around a while. But it's a little getaway one right here, oh my goodness. 31 grand for this little thing? Oh, come on. You've got to be kidding me. Really? Not a chance. That's a lot of cash for something like that. This one right here. What do you think, huh?
This is very nice.
Looks nice.
This is a very nice little.
That's all you need. Pull your house, drive your car, I always said. I'm serious. I see guys they're driving their house and they're pulling a car behind it. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, now you have two engines you got to deal with.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? I do like this. It's kind of nice on the grill. Have it open. You can bring your stuff in there, I think. 31 grand. I'm getting this one up here. Oh, goodness. Not bad. Oh, while I walk around, your back gets sore. Yeah, all kinds of fun stuff, man. That's nice. This one's nice. This is your bed, place you can sit. Probably have you can eat right here, not a big deal. You're a single guy. Everything you need. Refrigerator, the head, got room, and a shower. That's all you need. It's not bad at all. Not bad for 28 grand. As long as it doesn't leak on me, I'll take it. Give me a good warranty on it. But we all know how that goes. Another little grill. It's not that bad. That'd be an easy one to pull. That's relatively easy, F-250. That's a nice grill right here. And this one is 27 grand, whatever, give or take. Again, I don't need those bunks. I get it. Nice area. Nice. Bunk bed. I think you got the head in here. That's not bad. As long as it all doesn't leak from up there, that's all we're asking. Sealed correctly. Kind of like right there, you kind of look how it's kind of, my finger don't get in there, it's not good. So I already got a weird thing. So choose happy, yeah, we always try to. Well, live simply, you know. Not bad. Yeah, I'm glad I came on Thursday night because trying to do this on a Saturday or Sunday, people everywhere. So we're going the next versions of these will be going. We're going to Minnesota. First down at Canterbury Park. So that's a hunting one. So nice head right here. I can sit down. Nice bed. The working bench, as my dad always called it. We'll go on down here, shall we? Find anything yet?
Still looking.
Couples in there. I think I was in that one already. Maybe not. I don't know. 38 grand. No, maybe not. Let's go in here. Oh wow. For the family, it's actually got room again. Oh my goodness. Hilltop price 41 grand. Nice bed to hang out on. Not bad. Nice one to pull. Gonna be for 2 weeks at a time. Yeah, hell yeah. I like the grill too as well. Grill's cool. I like that. Very, very nice. Anyways, over here. So we were over, kind of we walked down there, walk over here. This bad boy, these are ugly. They're ugly as hell. Can't step on those bad boys. So, go on the other side. So these are 26 grand for that pig, Jesus. Here. This is 20 grand, not bad. See, this one's not bad. MSRP 27. No, this is a nice little single one. This is perfect. Yeah, come on in here. You're single. You're a YouTuber. You're driving all over the country. I like it. Life's better with friends. It's right. So yeah, not bad. This was nice. Maybe you and your spouse or friend. But if you're by yourself and campsite, you'll come over. That's all you need right here. All you need. Perfect. Your F-250, you've got your golf clubs in there, your bike. Not too bad of a head. Not too bad. But you're done. Refrigerator. Bluetooth stereo. So yeah, not bad. But anyways, guys, move on to the next one, shall we?